dance. But you know if we do something like that, go blow.
Yeah, I tell you that.
No go blow.
You just title and imaginary music.
Just like, you know, the name of the song, like, Imagine That.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the only beat.
Then
you catch out.
Hey, we go,
We go blow.
We go,
Now tell me, ask you. After Maga don't pay, Maga don't pay, shout hallelujah. You after Maga don't pay, do some, this one, you just disappear. What happen? Where you go?
Nothing happened to my brother.
No, but where you go and what you been they do that time?
I just say make a shift small. No,
Go sell
go arrange
cement
my school.
Now the quarrel, okay, now after that time you come quarrel with MI.
And we no quarrel. And all those ones are waiting media talk. Then talk say we quarrel. Any video there anywhere where two of us just face our head they quarrel. Everybody does the talk.
My brother, you never know because everything at the in this industry, it can be quarrel. Now, if you look yourself, you don't talk, but
if you quarrel for mind,
yes,
because as IzyBeatz did now, if you abuse me for a mind,
yes,
I go just know.
I want to for a mind now.
But I know the abuse.
Oh, you know the abuse?
I know. I the feel am.
Yeah.
That one a different one. A Bluetooth.
Now you just disappear. Come back. As in, what it make you come out?
Because people will be done me. See as everybody just remember.
See that guy wake up from this thing now
you
from
don't
UK
lost.
now.
You know, even things say you go hurt the feelings of
My brother, you
everybody.
hurt the feelings.
You hurt our feelings.
You know, they say absence increases importance. You understand?
So if person not
sometimes,
see
you see Michael Jackson when he died alive, he did drop album
You
every
and
year.
this Michael Jackson.
He did drop album every 2 years. No, he go just drop one is one. After he drop him, he go do tour, he go go in house, he go chill, write better music again. No be just better music, no be, you know they come like that. You go calm down. But the main reason when make I be like say I disappear, no be say I disappear.
Okay.
I had to go back to school.
Okay.
You know, say that time for Madonna, I hear when you talk something. I hear from reception, say, you see whether they pursue me, you don't know who finished first. They no pursue me, They no pursue me,
First, don't they play with you? I don't know.
I use my final year school fee, shoot video, use and blow.
So who pursue who now?
So who can pursue who now? Now me use them.
No,
I
write letter. I write letter, give Father, they say, I dey come, remember?
Okay.
I can't go. Then when I can't come back, Madonna, that time Maga don't pay, don't blow everywhere. I can't write and letter, say application for transcript. They give me transcript, I carry and go another school. I complete my school. Now I can't go US, continue the one what they do now.
So why you go study again when you know go use it? You see they sing the song when you they sing. So why you go?
That's the impression we're trying to change. So education no mean say as you dey sing or as you dey play DJ, you know if you go to school. No,
exactly.
So when you go study for this your school where you go?
Now computer science I do for Nigeria, but now with the course what I do right now, it's called mobile development. It's about all these applications when they use for phone.
Listen.
Mobile phone.
Mobile
Yeah, I actually got a China.
My brother. My brother.
No.
You got China.
Mobile development. How to do all this mobile.
Which time not China? You go
Not
China now. Wait, don't finish.
No,
When they China, they make phone.
No, gonna those days.
I don't trust this person.
They
They do it for Nigeria now. No be China.
So you want to go for Nigeria?
They don't. They do them already.
Hello, from SULEJA, GLADYS in Abuja. SULEJA.
Hello?
GLADYS,
Yes?
how is you?
Fine, thank you.
How is your ministry?
My ministry is fine.
We get Kelly Hanson for Inside Studio.
AKA Handsome Kelly.
AKA HK.
Yes.
AKA.
HK.
Do the man.
How is you, peace?
I'm fine.
This
Ah, enjoyment. Maybe I like your cap.
You like my cap? You be man or be the woman?
I'm a woman. I'm a woman.
You dey sound like man one time.
One kind, ba?
Ezioku.
Your sister, they look sweet, oh.
My sister, Abi. Sister, they say you look sweet, oh.
Tell and say thank you.
It's thank you.
I be gay.
You be.
I get I be.
You dey hear for back.
I be. I like a handsome dressing, oh.
He dey hear you now. Tell him now.
Thank you. No, I don't hear now. Which one is the main tell me? You go point from TV, tell me. I don't hear you, my dear.
Anyway, GLADYS, thank you very much. Good night. We get tweet messages.
The last Kelly Handsome song I heard was Mark I Don't Pay. Waiting happened. My sister get with the program.
Hello, Odoro.
Bushy.
Odoro.
Bushy.
Odoro Bushi. Odoro Bushi.
Yay.
Odoro. If na Odoro, Odoro.
Odoro.
Ondoro.
Odoro.
Adoro. Apasaram kapasat. Now, Kelly, I tell you.
Oh man, I don't know so you get all this talent.
You know, say, as you don't go develop your talent, it's not the complete story. Ask them which school in particular.
Which school in
phone the
particular
school.
for America?
Full sale.
Full sale, okay.
Full sale.
Hold on.
Call them.
Wait in American code. 01.
Yes.
This phone get
Plus
data
one.
plan.
01.
Yes.
This phone get data plan.
Yes. Which state? Oh, you know the code now.
Florida. Florida.
Oh, in it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're doing good, man.
Yeah.
Oh, cheat, one. No, please, I want to find out something. You know, say if you talk good, do.
Yes.
I want to find out something. Please, do you know somebody called Kelly Handsome? You gonna put
Yes.
You want to check your computer? Is it computer or computer? Computer? Which one is computer?
That's the same thing.
I'm gonna check the computer.
What did he say? He say mobile develop.
Is he doing mobile development?
Not development.
Oh, no handsome. They say no handsome for your name.
Now my government name I use now. Which one
Which one be your government name?
Which one be your government
Now I
name?
talk about TV.
Mobile. Okay.
We also
But does he know book? Sorry. Does he chase women on a trial way? He took a lecturer's wife. Also took a lecturer's wife.
lecturer wife.
Hey! Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Let me so.
Yes.
Bye-bye. They say you take a lecturer's wife.
Who say?
Hey.
Hey!
Where there?
Make me watch one of Kelly Handsome video. Not get one call before we go. Hello?
Hello.
My brother, how is your TV? They're too loud.
Ade, good evening.
Evening, yo.
Luana.
Luan now.
Good evening. I will follow Kenny Hanson talk.
My brother.
Now, Kelly, how do we can hear you? He didn't hear you.
I didn't hear
I
you.
hear you, Mama.
I salute you.
How far are you now?
We did now. How you dey be?
I'm already loyal. I will see you.
Thank you very much. I did see you now too.
Okay, now.
I see you now.
But I beg, now, where area you there?
You there for Island, though?
Which island, my brother? Your voice be like person when they for Lagos Island.
See this man.
Talk now, where you there?
Yeah, we there for VR.
Not be VI you there. Your voice, who they feel you? If they talk like those people, they pack motor for night. Every more back in.
Street take over.
Back to back is a his. Anyway, you get one quarter that time. They say you get quarter with the bunch that time. You do that
why you dey quarrel everybody? No, Abante.
What do you mean of that you go come?
I don't even remember myself. All those, I don't remember all those songs.
You know what's going to happen when we watch that cartoon? Now cartoon, Igwe Konkom.
Oh, now get them.
When we come back,
You don't know we do CIA.
Don't try us.
Hey.
If you not just enjoy the video, they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.